Our Heritage, a Great Legacy. That's the theme for this year's annual staging of the JIS Heritage School Tour. Want to know what this year's tour is all about? Come with me. For this year's 9th staging of our Heritage School Tour, team members of the JIS continued the agency's mandate to spread cultural awareness and pride among Jamaica's young minds. Over 30 schools were visited across Jamaica, and today we bring you highlights. We start things off with our visit to the Enfield Primary School in St. Mary.
Welcome to Enfield Primary! People, come here quick! Come here quick! Cause my granny tell me a story about when she did little bit. She used to wash her clothes with dry can stick and drink her tea out of condensed tin.
When me do road, me have to wear the good thing them. The good clothes and the good shoes them. Good chain and the good ring them. Me shopping at the mall at the good store them.
As customary, the students we visited presented some of the best Jamaican dub poems, songs and dances you can find. And our team ensured that pertinent information about aspects of our culture was shared. Before long, it was time for our lively question and answer session, where the students exhibited what they had learned and were awarded for their correct answers.
I learned that Jamaica is the first country to grow banana and to ship it around.
You deserve a special prize.
The students and teachers were also given information about the JIS Heritage Essay Competition and the guidelines they need to follow.
You can go on the JIS website, click on the link, and everything is there that will help you to write the essay. You don't need to go anywhere else.
And before we journeyed to our next location to do this all again, there was one more thing we needed to do.
It gives me great pleasure to present to you and to Enfield Primary this package of publications that's researched and printed and published by the Jamaica Information Service. It's about our heritage and culture.
Culture. In our music, about Molly. With language, Louise Bennett. With dancing, Abu. Culture, Mr. Culture.
We hope that these books and posters will definitely assist the school and school library and assist you with your assignments and different activities that you have.
Rider,
After sharing aspects of our culture with students at White Horses Primary, we were pleased about the bravery and brilliance of the students. We were even introduced to another bright star at the institution.
I am the RGR Gleaner Spelling Bee champion for St. Thomas. One of my role models is Marcus Garvey, our national hero, because he was very intelligent and he used his intelligence to fight for our freedom and do good.
And just before we handed over our posters to the school, one of our team members shared this word of encouragement with the students.
All those dreams that you think that you can't achieve, think them and work towards them, because you too can become larger than life.
This is the land of my birth. This is the land of my birth. This is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth. So what you saw today was just a taste of our JIS Heritage Tour this year. Keep watching Jamaica Magazine to see the other schools that we visited. Bye!